Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be taking you step by step on how to download the Bitstamp wallet app in this tutorial. First, open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar at the top. Then type in Bitstamp wallet. Then tap on search. This is the application that we are going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon to begin the installation process. Tap on open once the download is completed. You can sign in with the email and password you used to create your account or register for a new account as instructed to be able to use the application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.